Hey guys, Brad here, and today we're going to take a look at this awesome Dewalt brad nail. This is a kit and it comes with a bag, the nailer, a 2 amp hour battery, and DCB 112 charger, which will do a 12 volt or 20 volt battery. The battery itself has the power meter on it, which I love. That way you know when you need to charge this thing. And the tool itself is pretty sweet. Let's take a close look at it. First glance, we've got a nice metal belt hook right here, really strong. I really do like this. We've got the selector switch at the bottom, which allows us to do bump mode or single fire. So it just slides on over just like that. That's single. And back over as bump. We've got 2 LED lights down here, which I'll show you how those go on. Just slide the battery in. When you turn it on, it does make a bit of a noise, but that's just how this system works. It spools up inside, and then that's how it fires the nails. So every time you're firing nails, it's constantly spooling up. You've got these lights that are shining right up here into the firing area. If you want to clear a nail out of this, if you get a jam, this system's really easy to do so. All you have to do is pull this plastic lever up, and then you can take your nail jam right out. Very easy. I love the toolless cleaning out systems like this. They're just amazing. Saves so much time because honestly, nail guns jam up all the time, no matter what kind of nail gun you have. If you do have a nail jam, you also just have this reset. You just flick that switch and that's how you reset the system. This is our depth of adjustment, which has a gauge on the side right here. So you can just pull this back or forward and that adjusts the nose. So if you want to shoot deeper or not as deep, this is how you do it. And the trigger itself also has the safety lock on the side. You push that in, your trigger will not fire. To load the nails, you just push that button, opens up your magazine, and you can put your 18 gauge brad nails in here. Takes multiple sizes. Slide that in, lock it just like that. It's got great rubber overmold all over it, so you can drop this and know that it's not just gonna break. And the balance on this is also really nice. This is a brushless motor, so you know it's gonna last a long time and is really gonna deliver high performance for you. I've had this tool for years now. I've used it to install multiple door casings, window casings, baseboard. Just not having a cord attached to this really is a game changer for me. And I'm all about speed and efficiency, and this thing just takes you up to that next level. I'm very impressed with it and I do recommend it. All right guys, hope you liked the video. Keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.